How many times have you had a countdown timer running on your screen only to lose it the moment you need to change screens? If that sounds familiar, this one's for you. Welcome to this short tutorial on the classroom timer from JuicyTools, a tool built specifically with that problem in mind. We've kept the interface simple and clean with only the basic aesthetic options, and that's very much by design. You'll see a digital countdown clock front and center. There are several options for the type of timer. This includes one with a progress bar that can be helpful for visual learners. You also have the option of setting a warning bell that will beep when a preset time is reached. Full screen mode lets you expand the timer to fill your entire display. Perfect for casting or projecting to a screen at the front of the room so every student can see it clearly. But here's where it gets really useful, and this is what directly solves that problem I mentioned at the start. Pop-out mode lets you break the timer away into a small floating window that stays visible while you freely switch between tabs and applications. Let me show you exactly what I mean. You can see the timer is now sitting in its own little floating window. Now watch what happens when I switch tabs. As you can see, the timer is still there and still counting down. This is exactly what your students would see if you were casting your screen in class. No interruption, no confusion, the timer just keeps going. It's a small feature, but in a busy classroom, it makes a genuinely big difference. I hope you find this tool useful in your teaching. Thanks for watching this JuicyTools tutorial, and make sure to check out our other classroom tools.